Regional anesthesia on RAAMED app. Lower extremity blocks. Sciatic nerve block. Newer blocks for hip arthroplasty. USG-assisted thoracic epidural. Physiology of central neuraxial blocks. Subarachnoid blockade. Abdominal wall blocks. Chest wall blocks PEC and SAP. Lumbar plexus block PNS and USG. Above clavicle brachial plexus block. Below clavicle brachial plexus block, PNS and USG guided. Parasagittal infraclavicular and costoclavicular brachial plexus block, how different are they? Learn from the experts in the field. Download RAAMED app.